Thank you, and welcome back to the Black Al Bundy YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I have an exclusive drop. It's supposed to came out this Saturday on the 6th, but due to the rioting and looting, they got pushed back, way back to another week. So, as we have it here today, the Retro 3 SE Animal Instinct 2.0. When you see this box right here, you know it's a high retail. So this for the people who haven't seen this box before. Certain type of joints come in exclusive. If you've never seen this box before, you're seeing it here. So this is a size 11.5. You see they SEs. All right, so we're gonna get into the shoe. Got your black paper. Okay. All right. So started off, it comes with 3 shoestrings, a yellow, red, and black. Okay, this is a dope shoe. Good material. You got the iconic Jumpman in the back in the yellow. The green and yellow kind of give off an Oregon Ducks colorway. So this shoe has 6 different animals on it. Yeah, 6. Let's run through it. First, the tongue. This is like a lizard skin. Supposed to be lizard. On the back, we have the elephant print. The classic, iconic elephant. Up top, this is alligator. Say it with me, alligator. All right. Now you know this is crocodile. That's how a crocodile look. Then the dots, that's ostrich. So that's how the ostrich look on this shoe. Then we have the snake skin. Snake skin. So yeah, dope shoe. Retail is $250, $250 with tax $275. So I see resale at about $350 at the max. So how the bottom of the shoe look. You got your yellow, your red. Kind of give off that Oregon Ducks, you know, so yeah. Pretty dope shoe. The inside is yellow. Let me see. We have some more stuff. Okay. On this inside of this tongue, as you can see, it's a animal. And on the inside of this one, instinct. So the animal instincts, they got pushed back. They supposed to came out on the 6th, but due to rioting, looting, and the protesting that's going on around the world, Jordan Brand said, we're gonna hold up and we're gonna release them next week. So next week, that should be the 12th, I'm thinking. Yeah, 12th. So these got pushed back, so you got enough time to go get your pair, copy your pair, put them on ice, wear them soon as you get them, or resell them. So retail is $250, with tax gonna come up to $270, $275 depending where you stay, and resale should max out at $350. I had to sell a pair to a customer today, so I told him I had to do a review first, and then he can get them. So this is how they look. Yellow, iconic Jumpman. Red. One more time. You got the snake skin in the front. Ostrich right on top of that. Crocodile. Elephant. Alligator. Lizard. Red Jumpman. So, which one? You think they look good with the yellow shoestring, red shoestrings, or black? Comment below. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for joining me on Bundy's Unboxing. Bless and love yourself. Peace.